Lala. Marami akong mga request dito. Maintenance request. 9:04. Wednesday morning, call first. Okay. Monday, 3:06. Patio required last call. And then what is this? 3:08. Monday, December 10. So yun guys, ang aking mga request. Sa totoo lang, marami akong gagawin ngayon. At tinapos ko na yung task ko ngayong umaga, yung paglilinis. Hindi ko alam na mayroon pa ng dami 9:04. Ngayon, itong 3:08 ko guys ay ito yung niwanan niya bukas yung kanyang gripo sa bathroom. Nag-flooding, umapaw, nag-flood hanggang 3rd floor to 1st floor. So nagkaroon siya ng agreement na siya magpapagawa ng damage. Actually, hindi naman lahat. 50-50 sila sa pagbabayad. Pero may request siya na nag-email siya na yung kanyang bathroom daw ay baka may sira dahil mahina yung daloy ng tubig, yung draining ng tubig mahina. 4 yung request niya Number 1, conduct water flow test with the bathroom sink. Yan. Check the P-trap and drainage pipes to ensure it isn't blocked. Yan. Check the sink overflow hole to ensure that it's able to discharge water in an emergency. Yan. Pang-4, check the installation of the drain and drain stop to make sure it has been installed properly. The drain stop can block the internal overflow system, preventing water to discharge down in the drain pipes hasn't been installed properly. We make this inspection to make sure there isn't any working problems with the bathroom sink and stop this from happening again. So ito guys, yan. Yan yung request niya. I-ready ko muna yung fridge nung 603 ko kasi lilipat na yun sa katapusan mahaba pa naman ang oras pero i-ready ko na para wala na akong problema. And then after that, marami pa akong gagawin talaga. May isang unit akong empty na katatapos lang, ready to clean na. Yun ang aking project for another day na naman yun. So for today, ito muna guys. Yeah. Pero bago ito ay punta muna ako sa 603 at gagawin ko muna yung fridge. Ready ko. Okay. Ito. Yung fridge. Bago to Yung stove bago din. Ito guys, bago din yan. Tanggalin natin yung mga kailangan mag-ingat. Ako. Allah. Daming pandikit ito, warranty. Ikikip ito sa file ng unit na ito. Dinidikit lang to eh. Dikit lang yan. Kailangan natin ng Philip guys. Yan. Yan. Okay na. Yo. Nauga din yung prion pagka nauga ang fridge. Yan. Okay na. Yan. Nice na. Bango ah. Hindi na okay na yun. Bango. Bango ng hallway namin. Ito. Mabagal kasi yun eh. May na maglakad. Kaya medyo matagal ang bukas. Jim! Okay, take your time. How are you?
Devastated.
Devastated.
I don't understand.
How's your floor? Everything's good?
Everything's fine.
No popping up? Okay, I'm here for to check your sink.
It's just the only question I had, Joseph, was my apartment. I'm responsible, and I can't figure out. I can't understand the tap running and the overflow.
Okay.
That's the only thing I was going.
Okay, so
I just want.
I'm gonna check the sink and the line. If it's possible to snake, so make it sure if everything is okay.
Oh, it's not going to happen again. I'm paranoid. I
Okay.
go to bed and get up. I go and look at it and make sure it's come on.
Can I come in? Okay. Oh, your floors look good. It's nothing happened, eh? Ito yung binha, guys. So, yeah. Ito yung grip ko, guys. Nag-overflow yan dito. Kasi ito yung tinatanong niya. Yung hole na ito, ano to, overflow to eh. Nag-accumulate yung tubig. Ganyan yung nangyari. Iniwanan ko bukas. Dito yung tubig. Tapos, umapaw dito. Napapansin mo guys yung tubig, nag-i-stay. Doon sabihin, mahina ang drain. Tatanggalin ko yung takip. Tingnan natin kung nag-i-stay yung tubig. Tanggal natin. Mahina talaga. Okay. Tumaas, hindi siya bumila. May problema ang drain niya. Yun. Marami akong tatanggalin dito. Okay, Jim. I'm gonna come back. I'm just gonna go get my snake and just to make sure the drain is gonna be okay. I'm gonna clean up a little bit there. All right, I'll be back. Okay. Abait naman yung aking tenant na yun. Nagsasorry siya. Okay lang ito. Kailangan ko ng snake. Ito guys. Yung case lang yung ano ko. Ito. Kailangan ko ng... Let's go. Malinis naman to. Grabe, ang dumi. Maraming ako nakuha ng mga buhok-buhok. Ayan, tinetesting natin yung tubig kung mag-i-stay pa. So far, so good. Nag-drain siya ng ayos. Balik na natin itong mga ito. Okay, Jim. Yeah. The drain is good. Okay. All right.
Thanks for
No problem.
I'm the problem.